Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about the solution of a quadratic equation by the factorization. We will learn the solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. Mean we have to find the root of the equation by the factorization. So as we know that the general form of a quadratic equation is that will be a x squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this is the general form of a quadratic equation. So now, what is the method of this factorization? Method of this factorization is that you split the middle term of this equation. So if you look here, what will be the middle term? So this will be the first term and this is the last term and this will be the middle term. That means you split this b. So the main is split this b, it should be this first term you write as this x squared, then and this middle term you split into two values. Mean we can say that p plus q. That means p plus q it should equal to b, and this will be x, and the constant term or the last term will be write as c equal to 0. So this one, this p plus q equal to p, and if you multiply p multiply q, it should be equal as a multiply c. That means before you do any calculation, that means first of all you should multiply this a multiply c, and you look the value of b, and you look the value of b. Okay, then first of all we will see one example. I will give you an example of, suppose you have an equation of like this, an equation of 2x squared plus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. So suppose this one is the given equation. Suppose this one is the given equation. Then if you want to split this one, that means you have to split this 7. So what you will do? First of all, you multiply this 2 and this 6. Okay, 2 multiply 6, how much it will be equal to 12. So now this is as A and this is as C, and this will be as B. That means then we split B, we split this 7. Okay, so this, for the next step, this one, I mean you write as 2x squared and plus. Then you split this 7. Okay, so before you split 7, you should multiply this first, this 2 and this 6. So 2 multiply 6 equal to 12. You multiply this 2 and 6 equal to 12. So this is A and this is C. That means you will get A multiply C will get us 12. And B, here B equal to 7. So you have to split this 7 into two values or two numbers such that if you add them you will get us 7, and if you multiply that two numbers will get us 12. Then think what it will be the number here. What are the two numbers? If you plus you will get 7, and if you multiply that number you will get us 12. You think first. So now did you get? So let's see. If I plus 3 and 7, oh no, 3 and 4, if you plus 3 and 4 you get us 7, and if you multiply 3 multiply 4 you will get us 12. So that 3 multiply 4 you will put on your head only. Okay, it's just a calculation. So this is the correct way how to factorize or how to split the middle term. So this is the general information. So for the next example, I will do the for the example I will do for the next question. So this is the general information only. Okay. So this is the first part. Sebentar dengan IIP kita kawai ga example. How about jingli om solve the following by factorization. What cái jingli cái bal ai cái long x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. Có một bằng cái này kata ga quadratic equation. Te menang là IIP cái instruction bằng kata ga cũng nó vật solve a quadratic equation by factorization. Từ mentang dengan IIP cái example government mental solution government convert chua by jaga simply x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0 equal to 0. Thì hôm nay như để bạn split điều middle term nó đầy đủ 6. Thì government implies do đâu x có một đến thời x square có một câu chuyện nó 1 tính mình đang ở nó multiply cho ai ok với gì có multiply cho ai nên một này thế nên đây 1 này đều 5 1 multiply 5 giờ nó 1 multiply 5 equal to 5 but v đều 6 thì split ở đâu 6 ta hai r tali để nó 6 như này bạn split tegi r3 gambar lada v plus here lada v plus here 6 but lada v multiply lada v 5 cái kita r3 gambar tegi r3 gambar lada v plus here 6 but lada v multiply 5 kemudian đây 1 plus 5 vậy 1 plus 5 here 6 1 multiply 5 kemudian 5 thì có một nếu 1 và được 5 của một along fit bàn của cái này là để bán split. The next one we start x square bằng tăng nêu 1 plus multiply the plus 1 plus 1 multiply x của mình có x again plus multiply plus plus 5 multiply x equal to 5x and then the rest của plus 5 equal to 0. Thế này POE là đón 6 tem. Có một group hagi R entah. Di group yang ne ba dia ne. Wa dia common factor. Tuai common factor cho x square của x. Common factor cho x của x square của x. X multiply x thì nhớ x square. X multiply 1 thì nhớ x. Next tem. Udah 5x pada 5. Thì common đây common trong 5x và 5 common đầy u plus 5 thì 5 multiply x thì là 5x nanti plus 1 unequal to 0 unequal to 0 thế nên POE ini bracket kemudian x plus 1 thì hình chữ thô hi có cái tên là x plus 1 này một này kemudian pintar apa nu y and the rest kemudian pintar yang nu x pada nu plus 5 x pada plus 5 and this will be equal to 0 then này là x plus 1 multiply x plus 5 equal to 0 x plus 1 multiply x plus 5 equal to 0 that means so either x plus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0 implies if x plus 1 equal to 0 then x only if create this 1 will create this right side equal to minus 1 or x plus 5 equal to 0 common vào x equal to minus 5 equal to minus 5. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 comma minus 5 are the solution of the given equation. Are the solution of the given equation. This is the solution of the given equation. Từ cái này example bên công từ an area piece sa kawega example. IP sa kawega example gamot kita jengkli kedai x square plus 3x minus 18 equal to 0. X square minus 3x so plus 3x minus 18 equal to 0. Kini dari tiga kawega example. Ingin tahu solution x square plus 3x minus 18 equal to 0 implies statement una dari 1 una dari minus 18 kemudian ada multiply 1 dan minus 18 kemudian iyo minus 18 1 multiply minus 18 iyo minus 18. Tegamon speed of 3 mata namar ba main jong a multiply c le minus 18 gamot kire ban yawai number minus na way number tengai x square kan thoi x square una plus mata speed of 3 mata x mata minus 18 equal to 0. Từ đây từ number là P minus nhỏ 3 người ta là multiply ở ta là một nhỏ 18 và lên ông minus mà vào lấy có mấy ở đây minus a multiply c ở minus 18 có một at nó bảo quay ở đây về plus về điều minus từ hàng này là đang xem nhỏ 3 là đang xem 5 minus 2 rồi nhỏ 3 5 minus 2 rồi 3 tăng vào là multiply 5 minus 2 rồi minus 10 kemudian 5 minus 2 kalian đầy từng một nghìn thọ nó đâu vậy nghìn persen menta đâu 6 minus 3 6 minus 3 6 minus 3 equal to 3 tổng biên 6 multiply minus 3 rồi minus 18 từ ta là udah 6 phần minus 3 ke 1 along one row equation level ke 1 then proceed the next step means you multiply x square plus to plus into plus 6 multiply with x kemudian your 6x again plus multiply minus means your minus 3 multiply x your 3x una 1 una minus 18 equal to 0. Kita ada in one common factor trong kini, banyak common factor trong kini. So common factor trong x square baru 6x kemudian udah x multiply x dengan x square. Again x multiply 6 x multiply 6 dengan 6x itu lebih. Từ yêu ý về hàng này rồi thì đề vấn đề của các trạch nó mà hàng này cho x plus 6 của một thằng này thì làm bằng phần x plus 6 แต่บนตา x multiply กันน้องเนี่ยมันยอ minus 3x x multiply 3 nhiều 3x tăng lên minus 1 plus into minus nhiều minus 3xแต่มันtăng lên revise do này bằng này vậy và tăng thêm common factor đến đây đầy đủ minus 3 the minus 2 plus minus 3 into x nhiều 3x minus 2 plus nhiều minus 3 multiply 6 nhiều 8 từ common là điểm equal to 0 tại này x plus 6 này x plus 6 kemudian disim away x plus 6 nanti soalnya the rest kemudian x kemudian minus 3 kemudian x baru minus 3 simple nah away x plus 6 into x minus 3 equal to 0. So either x plus 6 equal to 0 implies x equal to minus 6 or x minus 3 equal to 0. Either x plus 6 equal to 0 implies x equal to minus 6 or x minus 3 equal to 0 implies x equal to the right and minus ini adalah plus 3. So therefore or hence x equal to minus 6 or x equal to 3 are the solution of the given equation are so hence x equal to minus 6 or non-common x equal to 3 are the solution of the given equation. So these are the two examples that I have given to you. So this, if you didn't understand, then you comment below.